DJI is back with its next-generation compact drone, the Mini 5 Pro, and it's setting new benchmarks for what small drones can do. But is this just a minor refresh or a genuine leap forward? In this overview, we'll break down the rumored upgrades, from the camera and flight performance to all the intelligent new features. We'll also explore whether it's worth upgrading or sticking with the current Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini series has consistently impressed with its lightweight design and impressive capabilities. Now, with reports and leaks swirling about the Mini 5 Pro, anticipation is building for major improvements in camera performance, smart features, and flight abilities. Here's a look at what to expect. One of the most anticipated changes is the camera system. Rumors suggest it may feature a larger 1-inch or upgraded 1.3-inch sensor, delivering better dynamic range, finer details, and stronger low-light performance. There's talk of a new 1.7 aperture lens or even a variable aperture, which would give creators better control in changing lighting. Expected video specs include 4000 at 60 fps, HDR capabilities, and improved 10-bit color perfect for serious content creators. There's also buzz around AI-driven scene recognition and automatic framing, potentially elevating modes like master shots and quick shots. As for the release date, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch sometime between late 2025 and early 2026, following DJI's typical release cycle. Given the rumored upgrades, we may see a slight price bump, with estimates suggesting a starting price near $999. If bundled with premium accessories like the C2 controller, the price could go even higher. On the design front, DJI may refine the drone's aerodynamics and use new lightweight materials to keep it under the 250 grams limit, while boosting durability and heat management. The foldable design is likely here to stay, but with improvements in hinges, frame design, and gimbal protection, enhancing portability. There's also speculation about a revamped remote controller with a more ergonomic design, better grip, and enhanced responsiveness for a more professional flying experience. Battery life is another area where the Mini 5 Pro could shine, with rumors pointing to over 40 minutes of flight time. This would likely come from a mix of more efficient batteries and advanced power management. Some reports even mention faster charging and possibly a new smart charging hub for convenient top-ups. AI and smart flight features are expected to take a big step forward. Anticipated upgrades include gesture control, real-time subject tracking, and more intelligent exposure settings. DJI's progress in machine learning could allow the drone to automatically enhance image quality, pick ideal shooting angles, and adjust stabilization on the go. Additional features like automatic editing, instant sharing, and cloud uploads may streamline workflows for creators. Building on the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro could introduce upgraded sensors and smarter collision detection. This would improve object tracking, landing precision, and return-to-home capabilities, making it safer and easier to fly for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Improved active tracking, smoother waypoint navigation, and more cinematic flight modes could also give filmmakers greater creative flexibility. Overall, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major advancement in the compact drone market. With its potential camera, battery, and smart feature upgrades, it could become the top choice for travel creators and aerial photographers. Whether DJI can balance price, features, and usability within the ultralight category remains to be seen, but if they succeed, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the best drone in its class. If you're excited about what's coming, be sure to follow for more updates, guides, and reviews. Share your thoughts on which features you're most looking forward to, and stay tuned for more exciting tech news.